Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I was just going to do a floating bloom. This is just a canvas panel. I don't usually like using these because sometimes they warp, but I didn't have too many canvases left, so I just wanted to try it again. This is 8 by 8. So I'm going to do a floating bloom. Inspired by Jody Flynn. I'll put her link to her channel in my description. All right, so my colors today. First, what I need to do is put down I'm going to use these two. Put down a swipe in the middle. So let's do that. I'm going to use some gold. And what you want to do is you have to put it kind of in the, so that your bloom will touch it when you blow out your bloom in the middle. Okay, so where's the other palette knife get to? Here it is. So I think I'll just swipe with white. I'll just put some on here. I'm going to swipe it this way. That looks pretty. Gold and pink. So this is PBO Iridescent Gold, and this is Rose Quartz by DecoArt. Just putting my white cell activator on here. A couple of colors I mixed a couple of together. So this is Ruby, Modern Masters, and Rose Quartz mixed together. So look at that pretty color it made. So I'll put that in the middle. This is Rose Quartz by DecoArt. It's metallic. This is Berry by DecoArt. I just love the DecoArt Extreme Sheens paints. They're really pretty. And some gold. I'm going to use white and black cell activator. white. Oh, actually, this is Payne's Gray that I made up myself. So it's oxide black and cyan blue. All right, let's give this a whirl. Ooh, it's very pretty. I have been down here trying to figure out a really pretty color combination with magentas. I was using magenta and turquoise, magenta and purples, just something. It just didn't do it for me. So finally, I got the magentas and the gold together, just that. And I love it. Sometimes I like to practice my colors on a small tile just to see how they look together. And then you're not wasting a lot of paint doing one that you don't like. I guess I could have done this a little bigger, but that's okay. There's a lot of cell activator there. Ooh, I want that to close in a little more. Let's see how it's moving. Stuck a little bit still. Right there. All right, I think it might be time to spin. That's good. Now it's all moving. Kind of looks oblong. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna go this way. That's really pretty. I like this around the edges. I wish I had more here. Middle still has quite a bit in there. think I need to next time make my swipe a little wider. There's something in there. Oh. I don't know what this is. Ooh. What the heck is that? Oh, I really like this. Middle is still moving. I don't want to spin too much more. I'm losing my gold. Note to self, make your swipe a little bigger. And maybe I could make the puddle smaller so that when I spin, you don't lose a lot of this. You don't want to leave too much paint in the middle. It could move while it's drying, or it could crack. Look at that pretty gold that went off. Oh, I think I'm done. I don't want to spin anymore. I think it's very pretty. Oh, I wish it wasn't moving that much. One more maybe, one more spin. All right, what do you think? The gold and the magenta is really nice. I love the swirls. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I don't think there's that much that I don't think it'll move as long as I have it on a level surface and dry it slowly. I'm gonna put my box over it. All right, I'm gonna end this now. I hope you like this one. Please subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new video. Comment below. And thanks for subscribing if you already have. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried canvas board that I used. It dried really good, nice and smooth, no cracking, no movement of the cells in the middle. Only problem is with these canvas boards, they do warp because there is quite a bit of paint sitting on them that's trying to dry. So you can see it's warped a little bit, but I think after it cures a bit more, I can flatten it out. I'll put something wet on the back of it, and I'll put something heavy on it, and I'll see if I can flatten it. All right. Thanks for watching this one, and have a good day. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.